Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a camera showdown for you.
It's the battle of the lenses, the clash of the captures.
In the left corner, weighing in at just $59, we have the Tuberto Digital Camera 2024. And in the right corner, priced at $69, we have the UD Digital Camera. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which camera comes out on top.
When it comes to image quality, both cameras have some impressive features. The Tuberto Digital Camera boasts a FHD 44 megapixels image resolution, capturing natural colors with vivid and clear details. It even has 20 various filters to add a touch of creativity to your shots. Now let's talk functionality. The Tuberto Digital Camera is not just a camera. It can also be used as a webcam for live streaming and vlog recording.
It's like having two gadgets in one. With features like anti-shake, self-timer, and face detection, it's a great option for those looking to unleash their creativity. A camera's portability can make or break your photography adventures.
The Tuberto Digital Camera weighs only 0.56 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry.
It's perfect for those on-the-go moments when you want to capture memories without any hassle.
Both cameras have received positive reviews from customers.
Reviewers praised the Tuberto Digital Camera for its good picture quality, compact size, and user-friendly features. On the other hand, the UD Digital Camera is highly recommended for its exceptional image, quality, lightweight design, and versatility.
And there you have it, folks. The UD Digital Camera emerges as the winner in our camera showdown. But remember, both cameras have their unique features and cater to different needs.
It all comes down to what you value most in a camera. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Buy Smart.
Until next time, stay savvy and keep capturing those incredible moments.